Hey Dekoni fans, today we're going to show you how to change Audeze LCD to Earpads. Yay! We're going to replace these Elite Sheepskin with some Elite Velour Earpads. Audeze Earpads are angled, so you'll want to pay attention to that, and they're mounted with two-sided sticky tape. There's no fancy tricks to remove old pads. Just grab them and start peeling off that two-sided tape. It's pretty tough if you have an older pad, but it'll come off. It's time for your new pad. Just peel off that paper to expose the double-sided tape. And if you kind of tear the tape a little bit, don't worry about it. It's tape. It'll stick back together. Oh, that's satisfying. Then take your pad and line it up, making sure to match the seam of the pad with the screw on the front side of the ear cup, and press lightly until you have it lined up just right. I like to use my fingertips around the edge of the ear cup so that it's perfectly centered on there. And then press it down. Don't worry, the memory foam can take it. Next, just repeat the process for the other pad, and then you're all done. All that's left to do is come visit us at DekoniAudio.com.